All right, so we're headed to the dentist because we gotta get our teeth cleaned. So, I mean, I'm just kind of doing this on the fly. Oh, you know what? We're gonna keep straight. I'm just doing this on the fly, so I'm just letting you guys know now. I got my teeth fixed. What do you guys think? I had a small gap there before, but I don't have it anymore now. It was $100 to do that. $100. I've struggled with that gap in my life for far too long. And yeah, it's finally closed, so I don't know. I think I kind of like it. I don't know. It's not too much. I just literally just put a little bonding there. It's the same type of stuff that you put for like when you have cavities. Instead of you get the silver kind, you get the other kind. Oh, my seatbelt's not on. Somebody's gonna call me out. His seatbelt wasn't on the whole time he was driving. I just got in the car, so, but I've been talking for the last minute, so that's long enough. So anyways, it was $100, and it's just bonding, and you just get like a little bit between here, and that's it. That's it. Nothing crazy. Just a little bonding. I've always had nice teeth. I just had a gap in the middle that I just didn't care for, so. And you know what's funny? I would get it when the pandemic is in, which is the funny thing about it. That's the irony of the whole thing. I've been struggling with it, but now everybody wears a mask. So that just sucks. But yeah, I'm going to start the channel back up, I think. I don't know, a lot has happened since I made a video again. So I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start doing this a little bit more often. Maybe I'll start from the car. Maybe I don't know. When I can find the lens, that's when I'll start, I guess. I think I'm looking at it now, but you know. Let's see, what else can I let you guys know? Oh, I had a baby, a baby boy. His name is Sir Anthony. You guys will meet him. I got married, so I'm married now. I'm married. What else? I think that's about it. I'm like right by the dentist's office now. If you guys want to see what that looks like. Pull in. Oh wait, we're not there yet. We're not there yet. We're not there yet. Okay. I'm literally just doing this because I was like, you know what? Randomly too, I was like, you have not vlogged in forever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this small little video. Here is my dentist that we're pulling up to. We're here like 5 minutes early, but yeah. So I don't know. I'll talk to you guys soon. Like I said, a lot's happened, so I'll update you guys soon, and you guys take care. Have a great day.